After incorporation of the company, the next stage is capital subscription. Every public company must subscribe its capital by raise of its shares and debentures to the public. So capital subscription is necessary for the company so that he can raise funds from the public. So for capital subscription, some formality should be done, that is the company must have to take some documents to be submitted to the register office, and also they have to do some formalities before the capital subscription of the company. So the first step is SEBI approval. SEBI, Stock Exchange Board of India, and this is the Stock Exchange Board of India that is established for the protection of the interest of the investors. So that after incorporation, the company for capital subscription, first he has to take the approval from the SEBI, that is he has to give his or her name registered under the SEBI, that is State Board of India, that Securities Exchange Board of India. Then second is the filing of prospectus or statement in lieu of prospectus. After SEBI approval, there is a need to file the prospectus or the statement in lieu of prospectus by the public company. Prospectus, prospectus is the written document which offers the publics to purchase the shares and debentures of the company. प्रॉस्पेक्टस एक तरह का एक डॉक्यूमेंट है, एक ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसमें कि इन्विटेशन दिया रहता है, जस्ट लाइक हम कोई इन्विटेशन देखते हैं या कोई ब्रोशर देखते हैं, तो इट इज लाइक अ प्रॉस्पेक्टस. प्रॉस्पेक्टस में कंपनी के शेयर्स एंड डिबेंचर्स की पूरी डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन दी रहती है कि व्हेन द शेयर्स विल बी अलॉटेड, हाउ मच मनी विल बी इन द एप्लीकेशन, व्हाट विल बी द अमाउंट ऑन अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स. So everything will be given, information will be you are getting from the prospectus. So for capital subscription, the company has to file the prospectus or a statement in lieu of prospectus. Next is the appointment of bankers, brokers, and underwriters. For capital subscription of the company has to appoint some persons, those who are helping them in the capital subscription process or the issue of shares and debentures to the public. The persons are appointment of bankers. Bankers should be bankers should be appointed so that he can do the work of application, share application, or the allotment of shares to the shareholders. And broker should be appointed so that he can make the necessary arrangement for issuing of shares, and underwriters. So these are the person company has to appoint for issuing of shares and debentures to the public. Next is minimum subscription. Yes, minimum subscription is very important because every company wants to that he has not to face a shortage of shares. So that is why a company must subscribe his shares, that is he has a minimum number of shares, that is he will subscribe from their investors or the shareholders. So minimum subscription is needed. SEBI will give the approval to the company that he can subscribe 90% of the shares issued, that is he can make the subscription of the capital of that 90% of the shares issued. Next is application in stock exchange. After minimum subscription has to be kept, the next step is application in the stock exchange. Application should be needed to submit in the stock exchange because for issuing of shares to the public, issuing of shares or debentures to the public, the application should be needed to submit in the stock exchange so that they can make approval for issuing of shares. And this process will be can be done by the registrar, that is if this will be done, that is within 10 days of the allotment of shares, and when the company is registered he will get the permission to issue of shares. Suppose if the company is not able to get the permission from the SEBI or from the stock exchange, so that the company will not do any kind of shares, issue of shares or debentures, and in that condition the issue of shares and debentures will be invalid. So that is why the approval from the stock exchange should be needed. That is, the company must be registered in the stock exchange. After listing their name in the stock exchange, the company will get the permission that he is ready. Now he can issue shares and debentures to the public. After that, allotment of shares. When the application should be submitted in a stock exchange, and then the stock exchange will get approval to the company, then the next process will be the allotment of shares. Now the process of allotment of shares will take place, that for allotment of shares the company has to issue shares, and then application should be invited from the public for from prospectus or a statement in lieu of prospectus, and that application money should be kept in the bank and it should not be used by the company. Company should not use this application money. After that, the allotment of shares will take place. Some shareholders will get the money, allotment money they will not pay the full money, or sometimes they are paying the excess money. In that condition, whatever will be the excess money or whatever will be the unpaid money should be taken from the shareholders, and the excess money should be returned back to the shareholders. So allotment should be done according to the guidelines of the SEBI and the stock exchange. And that after allotments, suppose if there will be any kind of forfeiture of shares or the buyback of shares, so this will be also undertaken in terms of the guidelines of the stock exchange. So company has to subscribe is their capital, that means he is making necessary arrangement for the capital, so that the working of the company can be done properly. And for that company को जो है अपने shares issue करने पड़ते हैं, share capital issue करनी पड़ती है from the public. That means he can issue their shares and debentures, so that the more and more people will interested in buying the shares of the company or the debentures of the company, and in this way company can raise its capital. Company should raise its capital, and for raising a capital it is needed, because company will not, then only the company will not get the shortage of funds. And for avoiding the shortage of funds, company will make the minimum subscription also, that is from their total allotment of shares, the company can make the subscription also. You can invite subscription from their investors. So for capital subscription, you have to do some formalities. That is, first you have to take the approval from the SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India से हमें approval लेना पड़ता है. Then उसके बाद we have to file the prospectus or statement and lieu of prospectus. The copy of prospectus and statement lieu of prospectus is also to be submitted to the registered office. इन दोनों statements की copy registered office में भी submit करनी पड़ती है. And then after that appointment of bankers, then company will appoint bankers, brokers and underwriters, and he is appointing these persons to help the company in issuing shares and debentures from to the public. Then minimum subscription company is keeping for removing the problem of shortage of funds, so the company will not suffer the shortage of funds, उसको finance की कोई problem ना रहे. And then application in the stock exchange for issuing of shares, for issue of shares and debentures to the public, it must be necessary for the company to first it will enter or enroll his name in the stock exchange. और स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में अपना नाम रजिस्टर्ड करने के लिए कंपनी को सबसे पहले एप्लीकेशन सबमिट करनी पड़ती है, एंड दैट आफ्टर within 10 days before the issue of shares, and after that within 10 days the company will get the approval that stock exchange में इसका नाम registered हो चुका है, and now company can issue their shares and debentures. Suppose अगर कंपनी को अप्रूवल नहीं मिलता है स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से, उसको परमिशन नहीं मिलती है, तो इन दिस कंडीशन में कंपनी जो है वो शेयर्स और डिबेंचर्स को इशू नहीं कर सकती है. एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ऑल द प्रोसेस, लास्ट स्टेज इज अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स. और इसके बाद जब ये सारी फॉर्मेलिटीज हो जाती हैं कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन की, देन द कंपनी विल मेक द अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स. और अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स करने के लिए कंपनी जो है अपने शेयर होल्डर्स को, इन्वेस्टर्स को इन्वाइट करती है टू परचेज द शेयर्स ऑफ द कंपनी in terms of prospectus or in lieu of prospectus. And this in prospectus, copy of prospectus or in lieu of prospectus should be also to be submitted in the registered office. Prospectus एक तरह का invitation है, एक तरह का just like हम कोई भी नई चीज शुरू करते हैं कुछ, उसके लिए हम पहले एक invitation देते हैं. It is a kind of invitation to the public that those people who are interested in purchasing the shares and debentures, they can purchase the shares and debentures of the company according to the conditions given in the prospectus. So after that the capital subscription process will take place. So students, you can understand how the company is formed, and for the formation of company, if you want to start the company form of organization, so you have to go through some stages. The stages are the different stages. I have explained you that stages of formation of company. There are 3 stages. Stage number 1 is promotion. सबसे पहले कंपनी को जो है अपना प्रमोशन करना पड़ेगा. प्रमोशन इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ द कंपनी, एंड देन सेकंड स्टेज इज इनकॉर्पोरेशन, एंड इनकॉर्पोरेशन के बाद थर्ड स्टेज है कंपनी की कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन. कैपिटल सब्सक्रिप्शन इज द लास्ट प्रोसेस स्टेज, जिसके थ्रू कंपनी अपने वर्किंग को अंडरटेक करती है. दैट इज through the issue of shares and debentures, company can get more and more profit, more and more investors he can find out. तो ये जो 3 stages है, this is the stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. Stage 1 में कंपनी को अपॉइंटमेंट करना पड़ता है एक प्रमोटर का, एंड द प्रमोटर इज डूइंग ऑल द वर्क्स ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द कंपनी, राइट फ्रॉम द आइडिया ऑफ starting of the company, name of the company, registered office of the company, everything will be done by the promoter. So promotion is the first stage, and then second stage promoter also do the incorporation of the company. इनकॉर्पोरेशन से रिलेटेड जितने भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स उसको कंप्लीट करने हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्स को सबमिट करना है रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस में, एंड देन द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द कंपनी विल टेक्स प्लेस, and after that when the company will get a certificate of incorporation, they will be registered in the registered office, and then the next stage will be the capital subscription, जिसमें कि कंपनी अपनी कैपिटल्स को रेज करती है by issue of shares and debentures to the public. So these are the 3 stages of formation of company. और इस तरह से जब भी आप एक कंपनी को स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं तो आपको इन तीनों स्टेजेस के थ्रू ही कंपनी को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, जिसमें से फर्स्ट स्टेज आप करेंगे सबसे पहले प्रमोशन, then second stage will be the incorporation of the company, that now the company will be incorporated and company will get the certificate of incorporation. कंपनी का एक रजिस्ट्रेशन होने के बाद कंपनी को इनकॉर्पोरेशन का सर्टिफिकेट मिलता है कि नाउ द कंपनी कैन स्टार्ट देयर वर्किंग, and after that he will raise the capital, that is he will do the capital subscription by the issue of shares and debentures through the medium of prospectus or statement in lieu of prospectus.